Hi, I have a Python challenge for you. It's from the beginner level, so let's start with the questions. It's obtain the sum of two integers. Are you ready for the answers? Let's start. I'll get the input from the users. It's input, enter one integer, and I'll take it as integer. Why integers? Because the question says take two integers, right? So I'll take it as integers and then store it in int one. Okay, and now the same thing. Store the same thing. Copy and paste. Name it as int2 and enter second integers, and let me print out the results. The sum of two integer is comma int1 plus int2. What do you think? It will run or not? Let's see. Okay, let me enter the first integers. Okay, it will be like okay. Anything 679, and it's giving me sum of two integers is. Let me run again, and this time let me put the answers in float. So it's gave me error because we have written it as an integers. Take the input as an integers. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know into the comment below, and stay tuned. Bye bye.